Wish ko lang yan kay Drea, maging God feeling lang maging masunod sa among yung elderly.
Alright, thank you so much, Mami and Daddy. Wait, nakibala kayo daw ka-emote ato mga best friends, ha? Jollibee! Oh, grabe, itibig ni Jollibee. Jollibee! Jollibee! What happened? Ano, hate ba si Jollibee? Oh, Mami and Daddy, nang touch ka natin mga best friends ang inyong mga wishes. Yes, so kids, may excuse na si Manang Michelle for a while. Sit down na lang sa chair, sit down. Later, mahagka mo sa itong mga best friend. Yes, so this time, everyone, I encourage everyone to please sing with me happy birthday chant to Alexandre and 3, 2, 1. Yes, mas gusto ko pagkita mas live yan ang nga chant and 3, 2, 1. One more time, walking. Walking. And just post number 1 because Jollibee is always number 1 in our hearts. And of course, because Alexander is now a certified 1-year-old boy. And then thank you so much everyone. So this time, we have kalaan sa tanan nga ninang sa ating nga birthday celebrant. I want you to please be here at the front. Again, sa tanan nga ninang sa ating nga celebrant.